Hi guys, so we got an update video for you. As you can see, we've started stripping the place back. Also at the end of the video we'll show you the architect's plans so you can get a better idea of what the place will look like in the end. We're going to take you up into the loft space so you can see from up above the layout of the existing bungalow. Right guys, so we're in the loft now and you can see the front door in front of you, and as you walk in, on the right hand side is the bedroom which will have the ensuite in it. There's the old bathroom and the small bedroom to the right, and in the middle is the little passageway that we walk through to get to the kitchen diner. So here's bedroom number 2 at the front, and then bedroom number 3 at the back, which is having its window bricked up, and then we're going to build a new window on the left hand side once we've moved the garage to the front of the property, as you can see on these drawings. Bathroom walls have been stripped of all their tiles and the bath's been taken out. We keep the toilet in there for the moment for obvious reasons.
Great voice, great voice.
Here are the drawings, as promised, to give you an idea of what the build will look like when completed. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.